got Stet music.
Yeah. There you go. I don't know. We try to be as progressive as we possibly can. We do believe that life kind of, is a whole evolutionary process anyway. It's all up, on with forever. So, we try to evolve, and as Delight mentioned earlier, hip-hop in itself is maturing, and we just maturing with it. Yeah, we're maturing with it. We're just trying to make our place in a maturing hip-hop age and so on. Because we're here for the cause, and hip-hop will never die.
First taste of Miami bass came on my first tour. This I gotta relate. I was at the hotel, had nothing to do. Flicked on the radio, heard the 2 Live Crew. Started dancing around, left and went downtown. Bought up some more cause the was down. Then I said to myself, New York ignited the pace, but in Miami is where they got the deepest bass. Miami bass.
May be hard to believe, but in Miami, I ain't even wanted to leave. I seen a girl so fly, she caught my eye with her Benzie box, kicking a song, give it a try. So she rolled down her tent with a look that said, come. I got real close and then the telephone rung. You couldn't say I wasn't in a serious place, cause in Miami, the girls got the deepest bass. Miami bass.
But my fisherman mode, I seen a fly girl, so I said hello. She was quite polite, so real and so nice. She asked me my name, I said my name is Delight. I said now where do you go on a Saturday night? She said downtown, I know the place that's right. An ache for your taste, a smile for your face, cause Miami is known for the deepest bass. Miami bass.
Swim when the ocean is rugged. A 6+ on my kick is how I love it. Heavy rotated, bass is weighted. Radio jocks don't understand how it's rated. What my opinion is all about winning, cause I think big, and in Miami I'm a diggin'. Grab me a piece of what I never replace, cause I still say the girls got the deepest bass. Miami bass.
Stetsasonic to you, that we're from New York, our allegiance is true. We're not making a fuss, but my man you can trust that the bass from Miami is a serious must. So loosen up your body, let your mind be free. Forget all your worries, the drink's on me. And after a while we gonna wiggle our waist, cause in Miami is where they got the deepest bass. Miami bass.